All right, you there?
Yep,
All
yep.
right. Let me just check the stream. No trades yet.
Yep, no trades. See what this goes up to.
All right. It doesn't look too bad.
Yeah.
All right. It doesn't look too bad. Now, I wasn't sure about the. Volume, or about the. I'm really not ready for this to be shown yet, right?
Right.
But I do want to get some practice in.
I don't know if it's me, but there's a lag. So
Um,
after you speak, like about 5 seconds or 8 or so later, it kind of repeats.
well, I had it set up. I had it just. Well, I just turned on my speaker.
Oh, okay.
So, I mean, not speaker, but my volume on the. I unmuted it under YouTube. So there was a little bit of delay.
Got it. And these little pullbacks are just, we're at the bear zone. So that's kind of why we stalled, I think, that whatever R3 or so.
Okay. I don't have chat set up anywhere, though. That's the problem. And I don't even know where it's at. Huh. Other than I'd have to open it up in YouTube. All right, just waiting. See what happens here. Okay, I better get my YouTube up. Oh shit.
Just.
I took the 515 calls on the Qs.
515. Yeah. Those fucking 514s are like almost a double.
I know.
Wow.
I just couldn't justify getting in, which, in hindsight, right?
Yeah. No, I hear you.
I'm going to close some down right now.
Can't even get a pullback, man. Jeez.
Okay. All right, we'll see how this goes. Are you watching the 5-9 system?
I am, and it's been pretty beautiful all the way up.
Yeah. You could have gotten it. You know, there was an entry there at 10:01 or 10 o'clock.
There was. I see it.
Yep.
I see it. Yep.
All right, I'll watch it too, and I'll throw some call outs.
Fuck, man.
I'll take an entry if we get up there, or we come on down. Looking around 131 now.
Around 131, I agree. Yep.
I mean, reality is it might, maybe 134 would probably be an acceptable entry.
Yeah, it's funny. Whatever I think it is, you just got to add, like, say, 4 points to it.
Yeah, because what I'm doing is I'm kind of trying to project out where the 9 is going to be.
Right. Yep.
Right?
So it'll be higher. Sure.
Yeah, so it's going to be higher. So it won't come down all the way to that 31. It's going to come down to the 34, 35, or probably 34. That's why I was thinking it might be a good number. Might even be a little higher than that.
Yeah, it's amazing, man.
And it came down to 37.50. I'm gonna do a little test, Michael. I'll tell you about it in a minute, all right?
Yep.
Okay. All right, let's see. Just going higher.
Yep. It's grinding up, man. Nothing. Golly.
It's gonna be one of those you just jump in.
Yeah.
All right, see if we can get a pullback to. Let's see, where am I at here? Well, shoot, now it's around 50, 53, 55.
Yeah.
Beautiful move.
Yeah.
Tell you what, since I'm on the 1 minute here, let me put on. Here, I'll put it over here to get out of the way. Let's do this. There you go. All right, I got those at 51. They're up at 80 now.
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at the 14s. They're like at $1.25 or something. Crazy. Well, they were at $1.25. Probably come back down a bit, yeah.
Yeah.
So where are we now? We're at the 9.56.
Oh, yeah, I said I was going to take some right here. Let's see what happens here. Probably a little higher than I wanted to be. Do-do, 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 do-do. Oh, damn it. You're telling me. Came right up to the tick, didn't it?
Didn't fill you there?
No.
Oh, jeez.
Fuckers. Ah, you sucker fish. Okay. Up at 92. Son of a gun. What a great trade.
Where did you get into your calls? I mean,
I took the 515s. I got in at 51.
Wow, great trade.
I
That's
only
fucking.
have, huh?
Two of those 14s are going to be 200% in a second.
Yeah. I'm at 100% now.
Wow.
I got 5 left.
There you go.
I'm going to close them. I'm going to close everything but 2.
Just look at that, pierce the bear zone. Just pierce it. So
yeah,
if we can break above it, then that will probably become support. Maybe see. Yeah. Wow. I mean, we didn't come back to these gaps. Fuck.
No. Might be no trades today.
Yeah, no, it might be. Yeah, I mean, I remember with Lloyd. I mean, like these types of moves are always the hardest fucking.
Yeah.
But I mean, for you, I mean, you do a pretty good job of jumping in. Like sometimes, like if you're like me and you're waiting, you get diddly squat.
You're still waiting at the bus stop.
Still waiting, man. It's raining. It's fucking sucks. So it's okay. There will be a trade. There will be many. Give me something.
All right, you want another one? You didn't take that last one, did you?
Which one?
The one I took.
The futures? Or the calls?
No, the futures.
Yeah, futures. No, I did. What? Like I don't know if I got in at the same price as you, but I got in on that 5-9 pullback. But I'm out of it, unfortunately. I took like 23 points or something. I don't know. Oh, fuck. It's only trade I've done. Wow. I mean, this is fucking...
Holy smokies. My 515s are now $1.67.
Yeah, look at those. Look at the 514s.
Wish I would have had 20 of them still.
The 514s up over 300% if you got them at the 55, when you got them. They're 220, 215. Wow.
I'm down to 1 left.
Fucking A, that's all I can say. Fucking A.
Yeah. I'll put a stop at double. Any kind of pullback will take me out, but that's okay. All right. All right. Let me get back to trading here. Okay.
Gotta buy any pullback, man. Fuck. Just buy anything that pulls back.
There you go. All right, so we're looking for a move back down around 21,200 or 210, 211.
Yeah. Yep. It's kind of where I'm sitting.
Oh, sucker. See if this is going to be a deeper pullback or about the same.
Yeah, you just don't know, you know.
Let's see. Ravine, good morning. The moving averages in the red and green are 5 and 9. I can tell you that it will keeps you on the right side of the trade. So what we're doing is looking for a pullback to the 9. Also, that you can put in the 14. It's another good entry spot. And then if they cross, then you're generally looking for a little bit of a short, at least a short-term short. So as they come down here, I'm just kind of watching. I keep losing my screen for some reason. Let me just get rid of that. That'll help. There it is. All right. EMA. You know, you're also getting like a little flag just like here. Little flag. Maybe a little bigger flag on this one. I don't, you know, question is, will it continue up? Don't know yet. Yeah, and the 9 and 21, I've used it for years. So you got the 9, the 21's down around here. You got a cross way down here, and how do you get back in now, right? So you could take a move when it comes to the 9, right, and look for a continuation, kind of like you got down here. are right here. You know, that's ideally what you'd like to see. I don't really like to see 3 or 4 or 5 candles hugging the 9. It tells me it's getting a little tired. Right? But like a hit to the 9 there. There. You know, all good entries. How much time? We got 5 seconds, so we're getting a little doji on the 5 minute. Not a big fan of. So I might get out of this trade here. Keep hitting my there we go. Do we have anything above us, Michael, as far as bull zone, bear zone, bull target one?
We're just bouncing off the bear zone, yeah.
Where was the bear zone at?
The bear zone, the top of the bear zone?
The top of the bear zone.
Around 212.
Okay.
212.44.
Okay. So right about where I entered. Pretty close.
Yeah, actually that was around about the area of that, you know, the 9.
Yeah. Okay. So Ravine, what I'm doing is watching the yep, thanks. So I got a bot running, but it's not running yet. It hasn't taken any trades today. And here's the stats from the last 5 days. It's automatically calculated. So I'm just waiting for an entry, but so far no entry. See if it continues to move up here. We're due a pullback, so I wouldn't be surprised. All right, got a minute 20 left on this 5 minute candle. Oh, come on now. How's your trading been, Ravine?
Hmm.
All right, we're gonna come back down. It looks like it's gonna take me out. Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure where my waiting should have been done waiting by now. Oh, everybody left.
Hmm.
Let's see. Okay, entry at 181.75. So it looks like my timeout is not working here because this should have timed out already. Let's see, what did I don't remember what I set it for. Well, it's set for 30. Let me, this is what I changed. Let me change it back. Yeah, there we go. That's better. So around 40. So 10:10. Yep, timeout. There we go. got it set for a 30-minute timeout. All right, let's see if we can make a move down to right here, 182.50. Yeah, you might be waiting a long time on the shorts today, Ravine. Right? I mean, we just kind of plowed straight up. There you go. That's what I'm going to do right there. If we get down there. So I got my bot running, but it's running in a sim mode. So this is an Apex eval, and I'm just going to play around, take the same trade that it should take. So it looks like we took a few trades here. Come on. Well, this is just the boring time of the session. What do we got? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's just that, like, where it's dull, you know. Don't want to short this dull market.
Nope.
At least not yet.
Be great to get a move down here.
Yeah.
So what I'm looking for is like a little explosion. So hopefully it'll come down, hit the target or hit the entry, and then move up a quick 10, take 2 off, and then move up 50 to get the last 40.
Let's see where are you sitting? 83. Okay.
But the question is, will we get down there? What did we get last time? Low was 190, 150. Could be we just keep missing them. What's this? 41.75, and got the 45, so off 4 points. So if we look at this and say, well, 83, 87. Right around there. That'd be funny if that line holds right there. But let me move it out of the way so I can get through. I mean, the absolute entry is, I think it's right here at 77.75. See what happens here. All right, go. Come on. So we got a little cross on the 5.9. So you got to think of a little move down. Hopefully enough to come down and hit target. Or hit entry. There has been days where this bot has not taken any trades, so that is a possibility. But hopefully we get hit right here. At least it'll have one. Oh, come on. But having about an 82% win rate, it's not bad. 19 trades, 4 losses, 394 points in the last 5 days.
I think it just bounced 3 points early.
Yeah. Gosh, dang it. And that's the exact move I would be looking for had it taken this point right here. Exactly what I was looking for.
You should have not drawn that line there, yeah.
I told you. What? So 87, what's the low? 86.50. Damn him.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yep.
But I see it all the time, so I don't want to, prefer not to take it. I mean, I really don't want to jump up there and grab it and be 3 points early.
Yeah.
It's not the way the system works, so. Maybe we can get a move back down. Come on, baby, you can do it. Here we go. Let's go. What's the 15 looking like? No? Can't say I'm a real big fan of the 15 or the 5 minute.
Yeah, 15's got like those 3 big gaps there, man. Like, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna take this trade regardless. Well, maybe not. Maybe I won't have a chance.
Played out. Played out. Played out nicely. Just not a couple points.
Yep.
G'day, man.
Oh, he's a turd.
That's perfectly. I'll be back.
Yeah. So I've got a bot running right now, and today is not taking any trades, has not gotten any pullbacks to take the trades. The last 5 days, it's taken 23 trades and won 19 of them. If I scroll back, let me get rid of this for a few seconds. So this first trade was a long. Entry was right here. We came up, got 10 points, and then stopped out on the second entry at even. This was a no trade. We never came back up. This one, no trade, didn't come back up. Actually, we did come back up. I'm sorry. Right here. So it came up and took an entry as it came back up. Took 10 points right here. And then ended up, I think, at a stop out. So then it took on the next trade. It got the 10 points. So you got an entry here. Went up, hit target 1, came back down, ended up at target 50 point trade right here. On this one, came down, hit target. Let's see, this is a long. Came down, hit entry, then came up immediately, took out the target, took out 1, and then you got your 50 points. I don't know however long that was. Basically 120, 230, so an hour, 10 minutes. I was in most of this trade, most of it, and me and Michael were commenting on how long I was in that trade. Any rate, here's another one. He had a short, came back, got entry, pumped up, took 10 points, and then ended up taking the 50 points down here. And this was a no trade. Never came back down to entry. So yesterday was a pretty decent day at 200 points served up. Today might be a no point day. In the month of April, during this process, was around 1,500 points is what this bot served up. So as you can see, just in May alone, I don't have the exact numbers yet. Yeah, I do. So the 1st to the 5th had 80, 90 points. 90 points in 0 one day. So it does happen. So you got 90 points on 390. You got 480 in the first however many trading days that is. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. First 8 days of the month trading, 480 points. So not too bad. 480 points on 9 days of trading. It's not bad at all. But there have been I don't know. One day, actually no days so far in May that have not had a trade. In the month of April, there was actually 2 days with no trades. But it's still pretty early. It's only 11. It'll take trades up until 4 o'clock is when I have it off. So start at 9, end at 4. Eventually it'll be, I mean, it's automatic now. I'm just testing out. This is really the first real day of running it. Okay, we just took IB. Oh, why isn't that loading? Yeah. Yeah, I missed that. Would we go up 42 to 55? Oh, not much. I don't know if it can get up 50 points. Are you there?
Wow.
I was just thinking, I don't know, usually I set my IB trades 50 points.
Yeah.
But I was just thinking, man, we got to be tired. I don't know if we can do another 50. Yeah, I can do it. We're only up 300.
Yeah. I mean, you just got like 50 odd longer. Yeah, you got like 70 points from the entry you wanted. You know what I mean?
I know, but we didn't get it. We missed it by, what, 3 points? Son of a bitch.
Yeah, now you kind of like, yeah, it's just tough. It's mentally. But yeah, it's still, yeah, there's plenty of rooms to go. I mean.
sure why my script got a little messed up there. Well, it's an IB trade. It's not really what I wanted to trade, but
Yeah.
let's see what happens here. All right, there's a nice little move down to the 9. Also the IB top, or right at the IB. See if it can make a move up. Come on. No entry here. No entry here. This is the one we actually wanted, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the bot wouldn't have taken it anyway because he timed out right here. But that's why I was in manual mode. Come on, let's see if we can get up here to the... See if we can get up here to 72. That'd be 30 points to IB. The top of this green box here. Oh. Didn't know he was in that trade. Let's go, you can do it. Got to get a new high here going. I don't like it when we just kind of hang out the 9.
Yeah. Stalled.
Yep. I mean, 11:05, it's probably not the favorite time to be trading.
That is true.
Unless I get this pullback, then I'd be okay with that trade. right, it came through IB, so usually that's a negative.
Yep. $221. Is that where you are?
222.25. I'm at 222.50. Yeah.
220. Oh, for the buy. Got it. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep, I agree.
If we come up and retest IB and then start to come back down, I'll jump out here. Come on. Yeah, so we closed that 1 minute gap.
Yeah.
46. So if we come back down, it's not going to be a good thing. At least for this long. It'd be a good thing for my, hopefully for these buy down here. How's my voice level? Is it all right?
Yep, good.
Okay. All right. So this guy should be right. Close to there. So the IB trade today would have only given you 16 points so far.
Yeah. Yes, can you hear me?
Okay, I'm going to do one more. It's funny because I have everything off, but you can still hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. So we got this move. We're back up above IB, back above the 959. Didn't come down and get hit. Just might be one of those days.
Yeah.
Got the 1 minute weighted down here, doing its job, going straight up.
We haven't tested that thing since
Open.
since the open.
Yep.
That's how strong things are right now.
Yep. Absolutely. Oh. Yep. So mo. All right, I think I'm going to pop off here. I think what I'll do is I'm going to just keep a recording going, and then I'll record if it takes any trades the rest of the day.
Okay.
And then that way I can kick back with my feet up on the desk and maybe watch some TV.
Good idea.
Watch a movie or something. Do something.
Yeah. So you don't take stupid trades.
Yeah. Just need a little move down. I think, let's see. Well, yeah, that buy at 222 is about the only thing going. Other than that, you have to drop down to 180. Pretty much that's it. Or the opening range high, which is a long ways down there. I need to bring IB out there. We cross back up above that 5.9. Nutty Bar's wearing that shirt. The man, the myth, the legend.
Oh yeah, all I can see is the man. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now I can see the myth. Now I can see the legend.
I actually have a plaque sitting right next to me. It says the exact same thing.
And on the back of the shirt, what does it say on the back of the shirt? PW?
I actually have that on my Twitter.
That would be pretty funny.
Yeah, it would be.
Yeah. You're not recording anymore, eh?
Well, yes, I am.
Great.
No, I'm going to jump on this stream real fast, and I'm gonna ask him that.
That's funny, man.
Oh, that is funny, dude.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can find him. Here, let me go my thing. Oh. Come on, Nettie, where are you at? There he is.
Wow, what the fuck? No. Wow.
Okay, I gotta see if he'll read it. I might put the volume up. Mess with Nettie Day today.
Trying to find if he's actually
Oh.
talking. Hang on.
Ah, now it's pumping.
Yeah.
He is talking right
God.
Oh, just gotta play with them. That guy, come on, that had to give him a little smile.
No, I don't think. Yeah, he hasn't seen it yet. Come on, Natty, go read your fucking messages.
There she goes, making new highs.
He's such a good-natured guy too, man.
Yeah, he is. He is a good guy. Yeah.
Just super. Come on, Nutty.
I think it's this market's frustrating everybody. Yeah, you know, kind of like
What are you
tough.
Are you frustrated? I'm not frustrated.
No, I'm not frustrated. I mean, I'm not frustrated. I mean, I think there was some trades earlier, but no, I'm not taking trades here. I'm not jumping in. I'm good.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't seem like what he's talking about is that relevant. I don't know.
Ah, he's not going to read
Watch
it.
the charts. We all know when.
Just keep copying and pasting it over and over.
The
Nah.
Oh.
shirt. That's right. The man, the myth, the legend. Did he give me that shirt? No, I know who gave me that shirt. This shirt is from the best wife. Actually, this is from my wife and kids.
See, he didn't. He's such a good nature. He didn't even get it. That on the back does it say
Oh, yeah.
PW? He thought maybe did PW give it to him? Ah,
Yeah.
Finally getting a pullback again.
he's a
He
good
gave
guy.
a little chuckle.
Yeah. Well,
So what do you think? Mobland, pretty good, eh?
oh man, so
I
good.
know. It's going to get to a boiling point here.
Oh
Sure.
yeah. No, and I didn't realize I missed the previous week, so I had two weeks to watch.
Yeah, because the last one you spoke about was the explosion at the end of the one, and then
Yeah.
you missed the 2 weeks following. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, I was done. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe that.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah.
You know, it's such a bad way to go to a chainsaw. I mean, come on.
Oh,
God.
but they didn't show him, right? So we're not sure if he is gone or
Yeah.
did they just chop off an arm.
No, I think they pretty much he went down. It looked like from the angle down through his shoulder, right by his neck, right there, right?
Yeah, but they never showed him, right?
No, they didn't. They could have just took off a leg or an arm, but they said it was too late. But just them saying it was too late probably meant
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
he's still alive.
They've made the first cut.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like, yeah, man. I wonder who she is.
What's that?
The one in I wonder who that woman is. The one that he called in the favor to.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, she's some heavy hitter, I think.
Yeah. Well, yeah, she seems to be somebody nobody wants to mess with.
Yeah. Maybe she's CIA or something. Who knows?
Because that guy talked to her and he stopped. That's
Yep.
it. We're done.
Yep. Something's up, but yeah, gonna get interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. His wife, the head of the Fair family, his wife, she's the same woman from 1926, right?
Yeah. Yep. 1923.
1923. So
Yep.
I'm 3 years ahead.
Yep. had to do was take that opening range high at 21,080.
Yeah.
200 points ago.
Yep, that was the one.
It usually is.
Yeah, that's almost the one it's almost like that's the one you want to trade with options, right? Just buy the calls and then just.
Yeah, but even on futures, that's the one I took that.
Yeah. I know the problem with the freaking futures is like you for me at least, it's not everybody's problem, is that I tend to get out too early. With the option, maybe I would let it, ride a bit. I don't know.
Yeah, realistically, the way I look at that is you take it here, right?
Yeah.
And you don't get out until you close below the 9.
Yeah.
Which in this case would have been right here. Still 127 points. Nothing to sneeze at.
1040, yeah, that's where you go. Yep.
All right, nobody's here, so it's a good time to close down.
Yeah.
I'll shut this down. I'll go into Discord.
Okay.
Oh, that's why I was probably still talking, is because Discord was up. All right, stop streaming.
We're pumping.